Dog, get off my property, dog.
I'm God, I thought this was a mom messing with the fucking mall's camera.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. Be wary of these people that's trying to trick you into thinking that your package was misdelivered, especially if you know you had one coming.
Is there something I can help you with? What? What do you mean they dropped the wrong box off? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. I mean, is that yours or mine? Wait, hang on. Are you taking my boxes? No, no, it's not. Show me. I mean, I can drive up and down here on the 5 for a long time to show me.
Can I help you? Calling the police.
Hey, is this your cat? Ushi, it's hurting my feelings that you're just leaving her out here in the rain. She's begging to get in our fucking house. Like, it's raining. Can you please fucking let your cat in?
Shout out to the animal lovers. This man is pretty upset.
Like, why is this one yellow? That's a beetle. Shit, that's a beetle. That's a beetle? Yeah. I thought it was a ladybug. No, the yellow ones are beetles. There's a ring camera though. Wait. Before you click it, think. Do you think they're gonna call the cops? I do.
These kids, I'm assuming, are runaways. They walk up to this porch and ask this man for a place to stay for the night. They just don't know how dangerous that is. Thank God this guy was a good man.
Did you do the talking this time? Nope. I did it last time. Don't stop. Please don't. I felt like talking at all. Alright. Ew. Who's that? A girl?
Oh?
Do you mind if we stay with you for like a day?
I can't. What's going on?
We're just traveling.
Huh?
We're traveling.
Where are you from? Where's your parents?
Canada.
What are you guys...
What the fuck you doing?
You know, LiDAR could use.
No, get the fuck out of here.
Okay, thank you.
Fucking let my dogs out right now.
Check this gangster out. She decides to bang on this doorbell owner.
What the fuck are you doing? Who the fuck are you?
I thought this was a mall, bro. I'm God, I thought this was a mom messing with the fucking mall's camera. I swear to God.
Who are you?
Okay. You ain't know my name, girl? The fuck? Oh God, I thought I was by the Valley Fair.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here. You don't live here.
Bitch, yeah, I do, so get your fucking attitude right.
What the fuck? Bye.
Fuck, right, before slap it the fuck out of you, homie. It's North Day, West Side, Block 60 on the block, bitch.
That's funny.
That's funny, bitch. You're funny. How I'll slap the shit out of you.
Can I help you? Can I help you, sir?
Oh, no, I'll just stop by.
Yeah, get out, please.
You don't need to be on my back porch. Hey.
Yo.
Dog, get off my property, dog.
This man notices somebody messing with his car and comes out to check. But he goes a little too far and tries to approach him. I do not suggest this unless you are armed yourself. Good thing he was not hurt. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would you let this man use the phone?
Yo, sir. I was wondering if I could use your phone.
I later read he was driven away in an ambulance. But you never know. Can't be too sure. Because he looks just fine. Please be careful who you open the door for, especially if you don't know him.
You. Look. You.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. You never know what these people got planned. This lady walks straight into this family's house. Please be careful out there, ladies. If you ever feel like you're being followed, skip your destination and spin the block, just to be sure.
Yeah, I look up at the old lady, LJ. How long you been living there? Oh, I came by before. I'm in AA. I'm in AA.
Yeah.
Alcoholics Anonymous. Yeah, I know. My name's Ed.
Ed.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Ed.
What's your name? What's your name? Amy. Okay. You don't remember me?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I think I did remember before, but I'm sick.
Yeah. I can't come in, right? No.
No, I guess not.
No, you don't. It's not me.
I have very little immune system.
Huh?
I have very little immune system left.
Are you sure? I'll come in.
Huh?
I want to come in. Huh?
I don't need any visitors. I don't need any friends.
I thought you wanted to see.
Hey, get the fuck away, man.
It's not your property. It's not your property.
Let me come over to your house and see
Nigga, I don't give a fuck about nothing. Nigga, let's turn this motherfucker off.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please be safe out there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.